Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a woman you wanted to talk to, but fear stopped you dead in your tracks? Your heart raced, your mind blanked, and you found yourself frozen, unsure of what to say or how to act. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. As someone who has spent over 50 years helping people build healthy, loving relationships, I've heard this story countless times. The truth is, most men struggle to approach and talk to women confidently. Fear of rejection, not knowing what to say, or worrying about looking foolish, it's all normal. But here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be this way. By the end of this guide, you'll have the tools to overcome fear and approach women with charm, confidence, and authenticity. So, are you ready to change your life? Let's dive in. Why talking to women feels so scary. First, let's understand the fear. Why does walking up to a woman feel like standing at the edge of a cliff? Fear of rejection. Rejection stings. It's as simple as that. But here's the thing. Rejection isn't personal. Women have their own lives, preferences, and moods. Sometimes, the timing just isn't right. Social pressure. Society often teaches men they must always be confident and smooth when talking to women. That pressure can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure what to say or how to act. Overthinking. You might think, what if I say something wrong? What if she laughs at me? What if I make a fool of myself? This overthinking leads to hesitation and ultimately inaction. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Before you even approach a woman, you need to change how you think about the situation. Confidence starts in your mind. See women as people, not mysteries. Women are human beings, just like you. They have dreams, fears, hobbies, and quirks. The moment you stop putting them on a pedestal is the moment you'll feel more comfortable talking to them. Embrace rejection as a learning tool. Rejection is part of the process. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You're going to fall a few times before you get it right. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Focus on connection, not perfection. Your goal isn't to impress her with the perfect line. It's to create a genuine connection. When you focus on being authentic, the pressure to perform disappears. Step 2. Prepare yourself. Confidence comes from preparation. You don't need to memorize pickup lines, but you should have a clear idea of how to present yourself and start a conversation. Take care of your appearance. You don't need to look like a movie star, but good hygiene, clean clothes, and a genuine smile go a long way. Women appreciate effort. Work on your body language. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and make eye contact. Confident body language speaks louder than words. Have a few conversation starters. Think of light, easy topics you can use to break the ice. Compliments, observations about your surroundings, or questions about her interests are great ways to start. Step 3. The art of the approach. Now, let's get to the part that scares most men, actually walking up and talking to her. Here's a simple, step-by-step plan to help you approach women without fear. Choose the right moment. Timing is everything. If she's deep in conversation or seems busy, wait for a better opportunity. Start with a smile. A warm, genuine smile instantly makes you more approachable. It shows that you're friendly and confident. Open with a simple line. Forget complicated pickup lines. A friendly hi. I couldn't help but notice your smile, outfit, etc. Mind if I join you for a moment? Works wonders. Be curious about her. Ask open-ended questions that invite her to share more about herself. For example, what brought you here today? That's an interesting necklace. Does it have a story behind it? Listen more than you talk. Active listening is a superpower. Nod, smile, and respond thoughtfully to what she says. Women appreciate men who genuinely pay attention. Step 4. Handling awkward moments. Let's face it, Not every conversation will flow perfectly. Awkward moments happen. The key is to handle them with grace. Stay calm. If there's a pause in the conversation, don't panic. Take a deep breath and think of something new to say. Acknowledge the awkwardness. If things feel a little off, it's okay to laugh and say, "Well, that got a little awkward, didn't it?" Humor lightens the mood. Know when to exit. If it's clear she's not interested, thank her for her time and leave politely. Respect goes a long way. Step 5. Building a genuine connection. Once you've started the conversation, the goal is to deepen the connection. Share something about yourself. Don't turn the conversation into an interview. Share your thoughts, stories, or experiences to make it a two-way exchange. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences. This creates a natural bond. Be authentic. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity is far more attractive than trying to fit into a mold. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. Talking to women is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. Start small. Practice talking to women in low-pressure situations, like a casual chat with a cashier or a friendly neighbor. Learn from every interaction. After each conversation, reflect on what went well and what you could improve. This helps you grow. Celebrate small wins. Even if you just say hello and smile, that's progress. Celebrate every step forward. Talking to women doesn't have to be scary. By shifting your mindset, preparing yourself, and practicing with intention, you can approach and connect with women confidently and authentically. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about being real, respectful, and fearless. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss my tips on building amazing relationships. And remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. You've got this.